Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell BNB on Trust Wallet. So now, by simply using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, select this toggle and type in BNB. Once you've typed in BNB, select the smart chain BNB. And once you've done this, select the more icon and simply select the sell. By doing this, we're going to be making use of the direct swap, which is us simply putting in an amount of BNB we wish to simply swap and clicking on the continue option. Once you select the continue, you'll be met with the option to sell your BNB directly into fiat, which would then be sent to your bank account. That is, you sell your BNB and you receive a local or you receive your fiat equivalent of that sell. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can sell BNB on Trust Wallet and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.